It's the sound of the source.
This skate park is extremely close to the home of the woman who shot the video. Also note that both the skate park footage and the strange sounds video were shot at virtually the same time in the morning, as that part of the construction took place around the same time for a few consecutive days. In a few non-hoax cases where we can be sure of the origin of the noise, it is important to note that the sounds seem more industrial than anything else. And given that this issue has become a hoaxer's paradise, we should err on the side of caution. WorldNet Daily and others really should be ashamed of themselves for telling people that this is the start of the apocalypse.
عمك أيها جهاز صوت.